Hi, and welcome to the channel. So for the past couple seasons, I've been using this DeWalt air compressor to air my tires back up after my day on the trail was done. Now, to be blunt, this air compressor is a steaming pile of shit. I just finished installing my underhood ARB twin compressor, and it's time for a little duel of sorts. A showdown, if you will. A DeWalt portable versus an ARB twin. So it's going to take me 8 minutes to do all 4 tires. I am now part of the cool kids club. But after having watched this, if you're still thinking about this DeWalt compressor, I really can't help you too much. Because in this test, I only did half my tires and it took 22 minutes. Had I continued on to doing the driver's side with this thing, it would have taken another 35 minutes. Because when I'm on the trail, I'm looking at nearly an hour duration to fill up all 4 35s. And this is 35s. If you run 37s, forget about this thing. Don't even waste your time. Now, all that being said, there are some portable compressors that don't suck. So Smittybilt has one that's pretty good. It's rated at 75% duty cycles. And then Via Air, the 450 model, is rated 100% duty cycles. So they're going to do your tires fairly quickly, but there is a catch here. Those are rated at 72 Fahrenheit. And I don't know about you, but it doesn't take an air compressor much to get to 72 Fahrenheit. In many parts of North America, the ambient temperature is going to be more than that, especially in the summer. So you got to kind of take it with a grain of salt. They're rated at 100% duty cycle, but as soon as they get over 72 Fahrenheit, that starts to drop. And that means that it might do your first tire fast, but the second tire is going to be a little slower, third slower, and fourth even slower yet. Even though my ARB was over 120 Fahrenheit, it did not seem phased at all, and it filled 4 tires consistently in under 2 minutes each. So I hope you liked this video. I hope you found it helpful, and I hope it saves you from wasting money on a crappy DeWalt portable air compressor. If you did like this video, give me a like, give me a comment or two, let me know how I'm doing, and don't forget to subscribe. And maybe, just maybe, I'll be airing you up on the trails. I'm out of here.